Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. How you all doing? In today's video I have a brand new eyeshadow palette from Essence Cosmetics, which is of course this one right here called Turtle. You are in my circle, and I am going to show you guys how I created this eye look that I have right on my eyes. And yeah, so this is how the palette looks like. The outer packaging looks like this, and the back of course looks like this. Now in this palette here we are getting 12 different shades, which are of course mattes and shimmers, and this palette here, it's pretty much all about gold and nudes. And yeah, in case you haven't seen my other video where I have of course played with this one here, definitely go check these two videos here. I'm going to link them down below. Check that one to get more info on this palette, which was of course called Make a Wish Little Fish. But today we are focusing on of course the nudes and the gold in this palette. And yeah, let's go ahead, open it and show you. So when you open it, of course it looks pretty much exactly like the other palette in terms of the the layout of the palette and the eyeshadow. So this is of course how the shades in here looks like. So you're able to see there. Of course I have used it, that is why they look swatched, but yeah, some of the shades I use them. But yeah, so that's how they look like, shimmers and mattes. Let me actually put them side by side, you guys. So we have both of them here. That's how they look like. You can see right there. So yeah, today's video we are going to be playing with this palette right here, creating this eye makeup look. And I should just mention that every shade that I have used in today's video definitely performed, and I do love the way the eyeshadow blended. Of course I did experience lots of fallout from from the eyeshadows themselves, which was pretty much the same with this palette here. But yeah, that of course you will see as I apply the eyeshadow that a lot of them, they were like we had lots of kickback there. But other than that, they blended beautifully and no patchiness at all. So I'm really excited for this palette, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how I was able to achieve this eye makeup look. So yeah, retail price is pretty much the same as this palette over here, which is of course €5.95, very affordable. And yeah, we do have the mirror, which is up here. And yeah, all right, let's go ahead and did I just drop something? Oops. Let's go ahead and of course start playing with the palette and find out how I achieved this eye makeup look right here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right.